Hi guys, welcome to another review. I'm going to unbox today. We just bought this new vacuum. So we got Shark Apex Power Lift Away, Shark Ultimate Multi-Floor Pet and Allergen Cleaning. Alright, let's get unboxing. When I open it up, I got this. This is about quick start guide. And then in the quick start guide, I got what I need to do from each perspective. That's good. What else? I probably should keep this as is so I know what I need to do. Then I got the manual, this is, how it works and all those, which is good. I'm gonna keep it on the side here. Then I got a good bag. That's good. So I can keep the accessory bags that they have. So this is good. I like it. So guys, this is what I was saying. If you notice, this got this particular brush that is going. New technology is going to bring the dirt in, and this is the normal dirt brush that they have. This is the new DuoClean technology that they have been introducing. So we want to try this. It's a good competitor for Dyson. We thought we'll try this. Now this is the accessories that I got. Let's open it up. So we got multiple accessories in there. If I show, we got this press release for upholstery tool. This is the one that's good. Then I got this is another one we got is and this is more regular one that everybody is familiar with already. So this is more like a regular one that where you have the brush, you can go this way, you have this way, you can clean and do this. Okay, look at this. There's Shark. It's written here Shark. Hose pipe. This is the hose pipe you have. I'm going to put all of these things here for you. For the lift away, this is I believe we have. For the lift away and the extension, let me open it up. Okay guys, that's the pipe that you have, and that's what it says, Apex Flex they call it. This is the main, let me show you guys this. Pretty long wire. So if you see, that's pretty long. That's good. I think it's probably 12 feet, probably. That's the main unit. That's the lift away. On the side is bagless, vacuum. That's good. On the top you can see they have button, power button here. So now I got this way. It's got light right there. Very easy to maneuver. I'm gonna turn it off. Oh, by my. Hold up. And this is my son. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. So this is our Shark vacuum. The new vacuum that we had. And this is my lovely son. Alright. Please like our video. Subscribe. And like that. And subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.